Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to do the Easter egg on your Exit 115 Black OPS 7 zombies, today we are going to guide you through the process for that. So, without any delay, let's just dive right in. So, the first thing we need to do is we need to go over to the Power Active for the trash can interaction first. So, you can go to the diner area. So, once you open up the game, this should be the particular interface, and you need to head over to the Exit 115. So you can just go over and find it up and locate the special trash can. There are lots of trash cans in the map, but there's the one is located behind the gas station, next to the red dumpster, right behind the broken chain, link fence, etc. You will know it's the correct one because it slightly rattles when we walk near it. So you can look out for the map at the top right, and within your map, you can just go over and look out for the trash can icon and go ahead and pin it up. After you pin it out, you just need to go over and go to that specific location, and you should be finding the trash can located there. You can throw a frag grenade directly inside the trash can. If it lands on the rim or the outside, it won't trigger, and when done correctly, the can shake violently. A metallic screech sound also plays. This means that the trigger has been activated. And after blowing out the trash can right here, you can just go over and three junk items will spawn around the map. You just need to go over and find those items. One is inside the arcade or on the train platform or the motel second floor. You can just go and pick all of them up and you won't be seeing them in inventory. That's very normal. And from the trash can behind the gas station, you can just go and drop all the three junks item inside it, and the trash can will explode upward, launching its lid into the sky, and it will reward a drop. There are possible rewards such as 1500 points, real savage, a mini warden spawn, etc. You can pick it up and you have completed the trash can Easter egg that way. And that is it, everybody. If you'd like to do the Easter egg on Exit 115, you may follow up this process as well. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.